Hard work, a sine qua non of success. Hard work is a prerequisite for success. Our success in this world and in the life hereafter depends on the extent of our struggle for them. Allah Almighty says in chapter 53 verse 39 of the Holy Quran says, "There is nothing for man but what he has strived for." God helps those who help themselves. Every individual, nation and state strives hard to get safety, success, honor, health, pleasure, improvement and prosperity. We all want to maximize our gains and minimize and avoid pain as much as possible. Remember that Allah helps those who help themselves sincerely and continuously. No gain without pain. There can be no gain without pain. Those who persistently struggle ultimately get what they want. One has to strive hard to achieve his ends. Actions must speak louder than words. Sweat saves blood. Striving hard in an appropriate way and on an appropriate time usually delivers more than our expectations. Struggle and progress. Struggle is the main secret of man's progress, evolution and achievements so far. And it is through continuous struggle that he will achieve more glories, victories and pleasures. Great and prosperous nations. We see some nations are more developed and prosperous than others while others are poorer and weaker. The reason is simple. Those who struggle, rise, and those who don't, remain behind. Awards and excellence. No awards, medals, excellence, good results and achievements are possible without struggle. Hard work never goes waste. Those who struggle get what they want. Struggle helps an average student to become an excellent achiever. Destinies are made. Hard work transforms destinies. Using mental and physical capabilities, one can mold his destiny the way he wants. W.J. Byron says, "Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved." It helps make problems into opportunities. It is the key to ultimate victory. Great leaders strive hard continuously. All great leaders and high achievers have been great hard workers. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Mahatma Gandhi, Napoleon, Albert Einstein, Newton, and Imam Ghazali etc. all worked hard throughout their lives and finally achieved their goals. No discoveries and inventions without it. All discoveries and inventions of science and technology have been made possible by people who strived hard persistently for them. Victories are possible with continuous hard work. There is a permanent competition between individuals and nations. All strive to get to heights of glory, wealth, power, honor and happiness. Improvement in environment. Good living conditions and healthy environment are not possible without striving for them. Chances are increased. Hard work increases chances of success and reduces failure, wastage of time, resources and dangers. Vital for students. Students must strive hard or else they will fail. They must believe that persistent hard work is the key to success and glory. Conclusion. If a man has a strong will to do something and does not sit down idle but strives for it, he will surely succeed.